Struggling to stay motivated during your weight loss journey? You're not alone. Many embark on this journey with a burst of enthusiasm, only to find their motivation waning after a few weeks. Today, we're going to explore step-by-step strategies that can help sustain your motivation throughout your weight loss journey. First, it's essential to set realistic goals. Instead of aiming to lose a large amount of weight in a short period, focus on achievable, smaller targets. A goal of losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is both realistic and healthy. Remember, weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Second, remember the importance of celebrating your victories, no matter how small. Did you resist the urge to eat a donut at breakfast? That's a win. Did you choose to take the stairs instead of the elevator? Another win. Celebrating these small victories helps to reinforce positive behaviors and keeps the motivation high. Third, seek support. Surround yourself with positive influences. This could be a supportive friend, a family member, or even a weight loss group. Having someone to share your journey with can make the process feel less daunting and more enjoyable. Fourth, keep a weight loss journal. Documenting your progress, emotions, and challenges can provide valuable insights. It can help you identify patterns and triggers and devise strategies to overcome them. Fifth, incorporate physical activity that you enjoy. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. Whether it's dancing, cycling, or yoga, find an activity that brings you joy and incorporate it into your routine. Lastly, practice self-compassion. It's okay to have bad days. What's important is not to let these moments derail your entire journey. Forgive yourself and remember, every new day is a fresh opportunity to make healthier choices. To summarize, staying motivated during a weight loss journey requires setting realistic goals, celebrating small victories, seeking support, keeping a weight loss journal, incorporating enjoyable physical activity, and practicing self-compassion. By following these steps, you can maintain your motivation and make your weight loss journey a successful one. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is not about perfection, but about progress. You're not alone on this journey, and with the right strategies, you can stay motivated and reach your weight loss goals. So keep going, keep striving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.